Are you responsible for organizing spelling bees at your school? Wish there was one resource to save you time while still making it fun and exciting for students? Introducing the Spelling Bee Toolbox, the ebook proven successful around the world, equipping teachers and administrators with everything needed to conduct a spelling bee successfully. Whether you're preparing for your first bee or your 20th bee, this resource is for you. Each toolbox contains over 600 grade-appropriate words and sentences. You'll also find spelling bee rules, awards, organizational charts, practice pages, clip art, parent letters, and lots more, all at a very affordable price. Everything you need for a successful spelling bee is here, in one resource, in an instant download. Available for 2 different grade levels. Save more if you buy both. Order today at bit.ly/swwtoolbox.